Are your CapCut export settings only allowing you to upload a 13-second video on your iPhone? This usually happens due to app glitches, incorrect project settings, or temporary restrictions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut export limit issue. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check project length. First, open up your project in CapCut, tap the timeline and slide to the end. Now make sure your clips extend beyond 13 seconds. If the timeline ends at 13 seconds, then that might be your project itself. Then your project itself may be short. Or if you use a CapCut template, some are preset to a specific duration like 13 seconds. Then CapCut can't export longer than the timeline length. If you still can't upload 13-second plus videos, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Clear app cache. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Clear Cache below, then tap Confirm, and it's been cleared. Solution 3. Check app update. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type the app's name. Now find the app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. And now check whether it works or not. Hope your issue is fixed by now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.